Hi everyone, welcome to my programming school. This is Ravi taking another topic front of you based on data warehousing. Let's start now. Agenda warehousing, how warehousing work, types of data warehousing, stage of warehousing, components, needs and future of warehousing. First agenda is warehousing. Let's start. Introduction to warehousing. What is data warehousing? Data warehousing is a process for collecting and managing data from varied sources to provide meaningful business insights. A data warehousing is a topically used to connect and analyze business data from heterogeneous sources. The data warehouse is the core of BI, mean Business Intelligence System, which is built for data analysis and reporting. In these blenders of technology and components which add the strategy use of data. It is an electronic storage of the long amount of information by a business which is designed for queries and analyze instant of transactions. Processing. In this process of transforming data into information and making available to user in a timely manner to make a difference. Next, how data warehouse works. A data warehouse works as a central repositories where information arrived from one or more data sources. Data flow into a data warehouse from the transactional system and another relational databases. Data may be structured, semi-structured, and unstructured. The data is a process transformed so that user can access the processed data in the data warehouse through business intelligence tool, SQL clients, and spreadsheets. A data warehouse merges information coming from different sources into a database. Next one is a type of data warehouse. Types of data warehouse. Types of data warehouse. Three main types of data warehouse. First, enterprise data warehouse. Enterprise data warehouse is a centralized warehouse. It provide decision support service across the enterprise. It offer unfilled approaches for organizing and representing data. It also provides the ability to classify data according to the subject and giving access according to those division. Second, operational data store. Operational data store, which is also called ODS, are nothing but data store required when rather data warehouse nor OLTP system support. Organizations reporting need in ODS data warehouse is refreshed in real time. Hence, it is widely referred for routine activities like storing recordings or the employees' data. Third, a mart, data mart. Data mart is a subset of data warehouse. It's specialized, designed for a particular line of business such as sales or finance. In an independent data mart, data can collect directly from sources. General stage of use of the data warehouse. Offline operational database. In this stage, data is just copied from operational system to another servers. In this way, loading, processing, and reporting of copy data do not impact the operational data system performance. Offline data warehouse. Data in the data warehouse regularly update from the operational database. The database in data warehouse is mapped and transformed to meet the data warehouse objectively. Real-time data warehouse. In this stage, data warehouse are updated whenever any transaction take place in operational database. For example, airlines or railway tickets booking system. Integrated data warehouse. In this stage, data warehouses are updated continuously when the operational system performs as transaction. The data warehouse then generated transactions which are passed back to person operational systems. Next. Components of data warehouse. Four components of data warehouse are: first, load manager. Load manager is also called the front components. It's performed with all operation associated with extractions and load of data into the data warehouse. These operations include transformations to prepare the data and enter into the data warehouse. Second, warehouse manager. Warehouse manager perform operations associated with the management of data in the warehouse. Its performance operation like analyze data, enhance consistencies, creation of index and view, transformations and managing offshores data, achieving and breaking up data. Third, manager. Queries manager is also known as a backend components. It perform all operation related to management of user queries. The operation of data warehouse components are directed queries of appropriated table for scheduling the executions of queries. End user access tool. This category five different group live data reporting, queries tool, application development tools, EIS tools, OLAP tools, and data mining tools. Who need data warehouse? Data warehouse is needed for all types of user like decision maker who rely on mass amount of data, user who use customized complex process to obtain information from multiple data sources. It is also used for people who want simply technology to access the data. It also for those people who want the systematic approaches for decision making. If the user want fast performance on huge amount of data, which is a necessary necessary for reports, for charts and data warehouse prove useful. Data warehouse, the first step is you want to discover hidden patterns of data flow and grouping. Used of data warehouse. What is the data warehouse used for? Here are the most common selectors where data warehouse is used. Airlines. In the airline system is used for operation purpose like assessment, analysis of routes, profitabilities, frequently fly programs, promotions, etc. Banking. It is widely used in banking sectors, the manager of resources available on desk effectively. Few bank also used for the bank's research, performance, analysis of the product and operations. Healthcare. Healthcare sector also use data warehouse to strategy and predicting outcome generates patients treatment reports share data with insurance companies medicals ads and service. Public sector. In the public sectors, data warehouse is used for intelligence gathering. It helps to governments agency to maintain the analyze tax records, health policies records, and every individuals. Invest and insurance sectors. The warehousing are primarily used to analyze data patterns, customer trend, and track market movements. Return chains data warehouse is widely used to distribution and marketing. It also helps to track items, customer buying patterns, promotions, and also used to determine price policies. Telecommunications data warehouse is used in the sectors for product promotion, sales decision, and make a distributions decision. The future of data warehouse. Change in regularities constants may limits the ability to combine source of dispatches data. This dispatched data source may include unstructured data which is difficult to store. As the size of database grow, the estimates of constituted as very long database continue to grow. In this complex build the run data warehouse system which are always increase in size. The hardware and software resources are available today to not allow to keep a long amount of data online. Multimedia data cannot be easily manipulated as text data, whereas textual information can be by the relational software available today. This could be research subject. I hope you enjoy this content. If you do like my channel, please subscribe, share the video to your friends, like them. Thank you for taking time to watching this video. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Thank you.